So Ghana ha, Africa ha, and as we are fanan baby awo. Now person autonomy be to say electronics, entade, my phone accessories, any the person to be a Temu biaya obe person would when you betray. Minim say basis same media what Temu one same pain, and as who Temu baby, then so we nim kwan obefa so a obekọ Temu platform ne so akwakodi dwa wo so ana obekọ akọtọ and ampo say what try that say obeto nema Temu so then so wentimi anya nkosi ewie ana wentimi anto nema no video video bi a ebeche obi bia wo se hu Temu platform ne so na de say ne say medical videos bebre Temu so platform we so then so sa videos no me ye brofo mu ena asembisa bebre enso every videos ni mu by comment section ho inti my imagine say we there me ye wo ye kasa mu kasa yin na ebeti ase na yetimi ati ni nyina ase every infiti ase kosi ye we ni me first time am me yenti no say me ya de na me hu comment section ho ma nya de enso a ma me hu comment section ho edi am just so any apiamera ye mo video ni mu Nedi kind, any Temu. See, I can say Temu. Temu online shopping platform via Chinese company I friend PDD Holdings. One shopping website I friend Pinduoduo. Minim say what it did that 70 did that so na any day can out the almost so na shopping website na say na Temu online marketer or my creating na say in 2022. I mean 2022 they need to make a tree. You know, unim say is 2022 ochia na odi ato comment section ho na me so mesu ani nyina etimi esu bi e sha say 2022 e wa America and I say Europe ena atimi atra ko wiase afa na be bia etimi abedu Africa ha Ghana ha yenso yetimi enya Temu na Temu no de ma e danso eye say de ma e wo ho no ne boy efu pa a de wo pe bia wo benya na abofo anema ne so ye papa and almost I check nema bebre almost I ma discount ni coupons bebre intino eba Africa ha na many pa bebre abeji Temu platform no e de atum Temu bia ya de opese to bia okọ omo platform ni so a ubenya bi ato ewo abofo mu afi yembo nremu kwan be na obefa so obe create Temu account. Now, so person create Temu account and a person auto ade o Temu e was say unyusi omo website and I say omo mobile app. Mobile app so you use Android phone or call Play Store. So you use iPhone or call Apple App Store. No I search for Temu online shopping app. To say you who screen so now ubenya Temu app no na watching e dey at phone so and I say o person call omo website wa website ni good screen so no I visit omo website no wetimi enye Temu ewo o phone and I say o laptop so ye hu ni see ye hwe kwan ye be fa so a ye be create account Temu for platform ne so ni yetimi edidwa so wo twi Temu app no edit o phone so na obi any for the first time interface bit to say na ubehu say unyan sign ni da o Temu platform ni mu a ubehu register and sign in with another account. For the sake of this video you register account for to double register ne so ha your name be and be a media register account. Yedi kan continue with Google. HS obetimi the Google account abi Temu account. Betimi the Google account abi Temu account here. Yet also continue with Facebook and also do Facebook account and a baby Temu no. And continue with email. It say the can continue with Google. No baby ana we email no enye.gmail.com. Maybe ana we email be to say Yahoo and I say Outlook into between the sao email no a Temu account and I the chat to continue with phone number into no the opposite you be there ebebo be as opposite do Google so opposite use Facebook email and our phone number oboso a ebetimi agaido ama wetimi create account me create account ni bi dada into me come account ni mu but enye bibia gidigidi bi oboso a ubo phone number ubo details automatically na edo ube ra Temu for platform ni mu inti ma sign in ni enko platform ni so afei ye bo ra Temu platform ni so say na interface ni tie ube hu nyema bebe essence say new year inti ube hu say ya cho new year sale up to 90% off inti Temu there ya omo ya de ho ye say festive season bia na any occasion bia omo kaye promotions and discounts to say the new year ya wura afifufro mu mama fasa akwenye so Emma happy new year. So on subscribe here, make sure so be subscribe no me adom and so say be ya the videos be to say betum a ubetimi enya bi. Na make say yewra afefufo mu anase ye any occasion bi a Temu era ne promo enti na hu ne wa ha no nemum say na platform ni tie ubetimi scrolli ehu niema opese otobia ewo Temu platform ne so niema otai search for ena edebecho say the be ya ten bi aba platform ni so eni be kan wetimi atobibi nti ohwe ne home screen ni so a niema me ba platform ni so me ama search for nti ebia na won so de no wenhu empaboa ne headset ni niema we ebe look different kakra based on niema na ya searching nti so hwe mu obi hu niema bebre a ne border form a once we betimi ato nemum ebia na opese o search for ade bi specific ebia na pen we na opese to ebia na opese to microphone ebia opese to ntade ebia opese to machines gadget equipment out the beye we juma de opese to bia uwura mu na hu top hana okay top most part na ubu say actual search Temu into the opese to bia ubetimi search wa ha o e wo say o type shim into ebia me pese me to video light into me type shim video light na ma bosso o bosso a ebebie niema ewo Temu a related to video light ni nyina ama na fi de wa hwem wa hwem a de ne bo efo ewo within wo budget any de ese de opese otona na fi de wa to aso na wa to ye be hwe kwan ye be fa so ye be to adekode epese to bia nemum before say ye be to no ewo say hwe bibi ewo Temu no niema ni bebre wo ha wo se ne bo form nenso obeto na ebeba no na enye de na ohwehwe no nti ye wade ba ku bi a se uto bibi afri Temu a obeye ene se obehwe product details no adekro no obekan ho asem ansa nim se Ghana fo bibi empacking kind nemum se oto ade o Temu a o se o kan niema anasa information na egu ase nti mehwemu ye fa ne se we na me person me to live streaming fail light kit no me boss wa de was me ne say me ba be kan de actual fa ho nyina na ma he say the right size de ko de na me person me to no de me person me to no sa na ti ana me kan na me hu say no a na fe de makwana matonti me ba be kan ha na me hu say size no ya tro 2.25.4 meters ewo ha say inti me hu say okay size no 25.4 meters. Se minimum one 25.4 meters na mekwa copy tape measure ana say ruler na fi matwe na mahwe 25.4 centimeters no ne tintin no say okay ade na me pesa meter no say na ne tintin esitie afi wakan wi na fi de what you quantity do a pe ba ko pe na pesa to mienu o pesa to mi ensen na enu nsia na fi de what you see wa ha na fi de what scrolly up down oba obehu ratings no up to 5 stars into whom products be na 5 stars also who say excellent product say 4.54 rated stars also who say products no a very good product into who say products na say no amount for my top products ni bi so ha o ma cho o ma dwen product no ho o mo use ye kwan facility was so kan we nyina to be who say Alexander do osafo I'm rating a 5 stars. Great. I like the lights. No say no. If you what kind ubehu ratings and I say reviews baby. What can you no scroll back down. Oba pictures na say no. You bet show the actual measurements of the product. Ubehu so okay, so no 10 inches. Any ne kika ho bia. Na fi de say o kan bibia na say your crowd say o pesa ota. Na fi de wabo add to cart ubu say ebekwa akoda cart ni hu baby a green one actual free shipping has see inti sa pepepe ene yeto ade wo Temu o de ato cart ni mu ewi no kwan be na obefa so a ubeti aka ye hwe kwan obefa so obeti aka sisi a no ubu say ase actual go to cart ewo ha see anase green button back ubu say ade na ababitum I show say one be them inti emu bia obetimi aboso na de we our cart ni inti bia me pese me bo go to cart ni so a ebe bi niema me de ato cart ni mu cart ni yete say ukọ shopping center na ukọ mall a ade troller na obefa ode oniema ne begum no ene ye o cart ni to cart wi a e wo se ode ko check out e wo se ode ko bebi a obeti aka no nti say ya add to your cart ye de ko bebi e beti aka nti ya ba ha say okay ni nyina be see 194 cedis okay say me say na omo ye promo because of new year nti metimi anya ne 71.5% off nti mebo check out no that's orange button na wa ha say no na ma bo check out na ha na obe feel o shipping details ni ye baby a o pese ye de adekodie no ebrel baby a o pese ye de adekodie no brel baby a o wo sesie ya adekodie no se otona se bedru Ghana ye de bebrel ewo ho into country automatically na I select Ghana the amount so we dey ni Ghana make sure say the better Ghana na fi dey what type in first name into first name appear last name Mera afi ebe bisa our phone number Mr. phone number no very very important because say adini bedu a number fro abisa o baby awo potting ansa na e dey abro and I say inquiries be for product in shipping na say phone nyina sa phone number we so me be send DSC to make sure say phone number na wo enter na wow phone number na phone number very active a bibi any o meeting dey send o so and I say omo pe on be nyaw nti mebo me phone number wo ha na fidie ma bebo me address no street apartment house unit baby porting awo nti bia me phone number ma bo 02000 na fidie ma ba beta me address ebia Labadi Beach na fidie ma selective region kwa me wo unim say was 16 regions in Ghana into region kwa wo mu no na selective region ko nti bia me wo Bunu East na baby nkru no Bunu East hefa porting na wo ebia me won Krana South na fidie ma boss safe na ebe saving information say be adekodie ne ba ha say na yem fan bro na so uhu say ya cho 350 Ghana cedis minimum to check out na Temu say Temu free shipping inti say uto niema na ye boaba niema ni nyina no edo so ana omodi aba inti we say udu a certain minimum for them to be able to ship it to you inti ha say no say e say me to niema 350 Ghana cedis inti no I will say be a medi bibi ka ho a ebedu 350 Ghana cedis nti for the sake of this video ma me try enye bibi sa na unhu de me patre no ebi a medi microphone we aka ho medi microphone miensa aka ho me choose de me pe okay free shipping add to cart we say me drew 350 Ghana cedis minimum no e free ho aba beda continue to check out into continue to check out no ha ena obabetia ade na opese oto no ha na obabetia ka into no we say payment method your card it is our card na opese otia directly from Visa card and as a master card we wait me select ebi my videos be on my platform so I make check when obefa so a we wait me create card e bi so oni bia to wait me checking out top person me video specifically e wo twi mu so to say de me video ya na me check kwan abefa so abe create o virtual card mami hu comment section na say any or Google Play now meaning say ye nyina de most common e ha ema ye mobile money into mobile money is now available what select payment method maybe you know I was say oba na fi obe share payment details no niema na oye no the total say bibia ye okay a we say shipping free wa ha say order total 430.66 Ghana cedis so okay total no bibia ye okay say any charges be and say bibia also ye ha say na obi hu into sa page we I say o hwe ni so ye pa into we say items total here 1459 Ghana cedis but discount 944 any womb into CC ami total abe 430 Ghana cedis into we so okay 430 na we so utia no na fi de wa submit order afi submit order no ebe ko payment processing na fi de wa bebo mobile money number mobile money number ni shema prompt beba na wa mobile money pin automatically on be deduct sika no e de free account ni mu na fi de wetia utia career say oba Temu app ni so a ubo say uko account na niema na wato ni na ubehu ni order status so ma shipping edu hefa ebia from China to Ghana abedu Ghana Ghana abedru aka ni nya obehu Temu app ni mu ena eba nso a obehu app ni mu nemu ma me nchocho we mu ansa na video we akwana wie ye Temu so shipping companies mienu di kan Speedup ena de toso mienu Skynet. Now Speedup no ena de me use da. In fact untimi select shipping company kra omo enyisi nemu de ma hu ene se niema no ne bo form 1,000 Ghana cedis a ebeko Speedup for her name say ebo more than 1,000 Ghana cedis a Skynet and handles are orders akese ni nyina inti me mesro say nipa be complaining am me say more than say 1,000 Ghana cedis a Skynet for no request say omuntia some shipping fee any customs fees be and so on say timi account money ma nemu me matone ma bibia e fast Speedup for a menti aka print measure say oniema no ne bo so kaka obeto ni different batches say dey ya e be fast Speedup for same na fi dey customs ni shipping same bia emma me how afi say ade code na auto no ebedu Ghana ha Speedup and access Skynet for be phone number na fi dey o ma fro o ma bisa o be porting awo say Speedup e okom ho a o Speedup office okom ho and access Skynet office okom ho o me kan say bra office ho na bra beji nemum say unni Speedup for come on name baby ade na bedu na bi e next town Speedup no next town and next 2 towns a ubetimi ni o maka na afi de o de amaka na o de abro eno no o de maka na o de brewa una obetu asa driver ni ka eno no nye Speedup for kentino shipping ni delivery ni hu sense no sanity afi ma tips and tricks bi ase wo shopping e Temu a ubetimi ayisi e so hu se Temu platform no ni e wo so no for pan into betim the way ayo business a obeto niema bi a ne boyfo na fi waton wo de okaka to so na fi waton amamanfo nti se phone we se Ghana ha ye ton ni 2,000 Ghana cedis a okọ Temu platform ni so a ubenya ni to say bi 1,000 and say 1,005 Ghana cedis na fi de wato phone si in bulk e bi a be 10 and 5 e be du Ghana na fi de o profit kaka e de ato so na fi de waton no enya kaka ashe say me ma conclude the video na me say Temu platform is very legit now person autonomy or so we are very careful extra careful now kind reviews ni bibia to say the match of video ni mo it is a video be a this abo let's show so be like video no na for the asem bi say bia na say bibia on tia say and a contribution and the person can be a your comment section ho na for the subscribe na me adom and say the video for be to say ebe to her ubehu edi ameje so ene apiamra yebehia e video fufuro mu ciao.